To connect TikTok Shop to Shopify, start by ensuring you have a TikTok business account and a Shopify store. Log into your TikTok account and go to the settings. Then click on Creator Portal and tap on Shopping. Next, click on Get Started and select the country where your store is located. Then choose your store type and agree to the terms of service. You will then be prompted to connect your Shopify store to TikTok. Click on Connect Shop and enter your Shopify store URL. You will be redirected to Shopify to authorize the connection. Click on Install to allow TikTok to access your Shopify store. Once connected, you can sync your products from Shopify to TikTok by clicking on Sync Products. You can also set up a payment method to receive payments directly through TikTok. To do this, click on Payment and select your preferred payment method. Make sure your store and products comply with TikTok's commerce policies to avoid any issues. After connecting your Shopify store to TikTok Shop, you can start creating shopping ads and product showcases to reach a wider audience and drive sales. You can also track your performance and sales through the TikTok Shop Analytics tool. By following these steps, you can easily connect your TikTok Shop to Shopify and start selling your products to millions of users on the platform. This integration allows you to leverage the power of social commerce and expand your online store's reach.